Our next topic is subsets. So, what is sub? Sub mean part. Sub mean part. Like there is a set A having elements 1, 2, 3, 4. There is one more set B having elements 2, 4. So, this set B is a part of set A. It has elements 2 and 4. 2 and 4 here. So B total is a part of A. So we can say B is a subset of A. B is a subset of A. And we will write like this: B subset of A. This is called subset. So if every element of B is an element of set A, we can say it is a subset. Now this is total number of subsets. Which is equal to 2 raised to power n. 2 raised to power n. Number of elements. N is here. Number of elements. Let's take an example. There is a set A having elements A, B, C. So how many total subsets can be formed using these three elements of set A? You need to find how many total subsets can be formed. So first, this is A. First set. First take only single element like A, next is B, next is C. It is single. Now two elements like AB, BC, AC. Next is AB, next BC, next CA. पहले आपने single एलिमेंट लिया, then double 1 2 2 3 1 3 like this. Now three elements A, B, C, and last one is 5. This is. These are all subsets of this set. ये सारे क्या हैं? इसके subsets. One more example. Like there is a set B having elements 2 and 5. 2 and 5. So how many total subsets can be formed? For example, set B is, it has elements 2, 5. Now total number of subsets of set B. So first take only single element. Like this is 2, next is 5, next both elements 2, 5, and last is 5. These are all subsets of this element. So what did you observe from these two? We can say every element, sorry, every set is a subset of itself. देखिए 2, 5 यहाँ भी है, वो यहाँ भी है. सेम ए बी सी यहाँ भी था, ए बी सी यहाँ भी था. मीन्स हर एक सेट अपना सबसेट भी बनेगा. जैसे 2, 5 है, ये भी सबसेट है इस सेट का. सो वन मोर थिंग, दिस इज empty set, or you may say 5. Every set and empty set, every set and empty set is always a subset of itself. Subset of itself. Understood? So how to find? I told you here, this is 2 raised to power n. Like in set A we have three elements 1 2 3. So it is 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 3, which is equal to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it has 8 subsets. So how to find total number of subsets? 2 raised to power n. Now same here. Set B has 2 elements. Set B has 2 elements. We can also write total subsets 2 raised to power n. What is n here? 1 to 2 element. 2 raised to power 2, which is equal to 4. ये देखिए 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is how to find total number of subsets. Now next comes to us power set. Power set, which is set of subsets. Set of subsets. Like in the same example, these are all subsets of this set. These are all subsets of this set. If I write all these in a single set, it becomes power set. It was B, so I am writing here P of B stands for power set of B. P of B stands for power set of B, which is like this. Set of all these subsets. It is 2, 5, 2, 5, or may also write 5. So these are all element of this bigger set. It is called power set. It is a set of all subsets. जितने भी subsets बने थे उन सबका एक set बन गया हमारे पास. It is called power set.